Across the world, it is estimated that close to 1 billion people lack access to safe drinking water, and around 2.5 billion people lack access to improved sanitation. This lack of hygiene leads to ill health and, in extreme cases, deaths amongst children and the elderly. Women are badly affected as they have to walk many miles, typically with a 20-kilogram vessel, to fetch poor quality water to their families. Humanity First believes that access to safe drinking water and proper sanitation should be a right for every person and not a privilege. Water for Life is active across Asia, Africa and Central America. Humanity First also lobbies for change through the End Water Poverty Alliance. Pakistan has been the focus of our efforts in Asia. Following the 2005 earthquake, 11 mega-flow pumping stations were installed around Muzaffarabad to provide improved water to 1.26 million people. After the 2010 floods, over 100 small water hand pumps were installed in villages from Sindh through to Punjab. In recent years, Humanity First has been building water wells for Thari communities near Sindh, and so far over 360 have been completed. It is estimated that 1.6 million people across Pakistan have benefited from these initiatives. With the recent Rohingya crisis, teams are working in the Kutupalong camp in southern Bangladesh, deploying dozens of tube water wells and temporary toilet blocks for the refugees. We did the same in Indonesia following natural disasters and have been deploying better toilet blocks in schools in the region. Across East Africa, over 200 village water projects have been completed in Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya. Most of these have been traditional hand pumps, but in Uganda the team have also done gravity-fed systems, spring water protection and valley dams. Every day over 430,000 people across East Africa access water through our installations. Sub-Saharan Africa suffers hugely from lack of water in hot desert conditions. Our team are active in 13 countries in West Africa, deploying foot pumps, hand pumps and solar boreholes. So far, over 1,700 installations have been completed in the Gambia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Burkina Faso, Mali, Benin, Niger, Togo, Ghana and Nigeria. After the Ebola crisis, plumbed toilet blocks were installed at 11 primary schools in Sierra Leone, and the children trained in the importance of good hygiene to fend off viruses and maintain health. Across West Africa, every day almost 2 million people access safe drinking water through our installations. Worldwide, there have been over 2,600 water installations. Humanity First works alongside other NGOs and also follows a best practice approach, particularly for water rehabilitation projects. So far, the Water for Life program has been active in 19 countries and is providing services for over 3.8 million people, improving health and transforming rural communities.